Creating faceless YouTube videos can offer unique advantages and opportunities for content creators. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Privacy and anonymity. Faceless videos allow creators to maintain a level of privacy and anonymity, which can be appealing for individuals who prefer to keep their identity private. 2. Focus on content. With faceless videos, the focus shifts to the content itself, allowing creators to emphasize visual elements, such as stock videos, images, graphics, and text, to engage viewers. 3. Broad audience appeal. Faceless YouTube videos can cater to a broad audience, as they often focus on content that is universally appealing, such as gaming videos, tutorials, product reviews, and DIY videos. 4. Flexibility and creativity. Creating faceless videos provides an opportunity for creators to explore diverse content ideas and exercise creativity without the constraint of appearing on camera. 5. Unique branding and differentiation. Faceless videos offer creators the chance to develop a unique brand identity and differentiate themselves in a crowded online space, potentially leading to increased viewer engagement. Faceless YouTube videos can offer creators the flexibility to focus on content, maintain privacy, appeal to a broad audience, and exercise creativity in unique ways. These factors contribute to the importance and value of creating faceless video content on YouTube. For best service for creating a faceless YouTube videos, click on the link in description. Enjoying the content? Consider subscribing to join our community and stay updated with our latest videos. Your support helps us continue creating great content for you.